1-0 win in Bosnia on Friday has left Slovakia still in with a shout of qualifying just for their second straight World Cup finals. Now they have to do it all over again against the joint Group G leaders in Salina tonight and hope Latvia can do them a favour by getting at least a point in Greece. Slovakia are 4 points behind Bosnia and Greece at the start of play and simply can afford to drop no more points. One change for Bosnia, and it's at right back where Mensa Musjua replaces Andrija Vrsajevic. Manchester City's Edin Dzeko has 8 goals in this group. Jan Kozak goes with the same 11 that snatched victory last Friday. Viktor Pachovski, who plays his club football on this ground, was the match winner last week. Marek Hamsik is in brilliant form for Napoli this season and will be key. Dzeko, 8 goals, Ibisevic of Stuttgart, 6. Is this to be Bosnia's first successful qualifying competition after playoff heartbreak in 2010 and 2012? On those two occasions at the end of qualifying for the South Africa World Cup and the Poland and Ukraine Euro, they were drawn against Portugal in the two-legged playoff, beaten in both of them. There is a sense that this is the time for Bosnia and Herzegovina. Slovakia in the white, touch through from Juraj Kučka. Good start, absolutely essential here. And the sooner they get Marek Hamsik on the ball and dictating matters, the better. The foul on Kučka of Janov. That was Mujta. He's done well there, Mujta. Ibisevic central. Mujta back onto his left foot that time. That's touchdown for Misimovic. Great save by Mujta. Strong start here from Bosnia. Haris Midunjani. And then the shot from Dzeko. Really got hold of that with his left foot, and Mujta in the thick of things early on here. Slovakia's goalkeeper, who plays for Krylia Sovitov in Russia, not called upon there though, but he certainly got plenty to say to his defenders. That time it was Miralem Pjanic, that the earlier attempt by Shvedan Misimovic. Here's Hamsik. Does well, tries to disguise the pass into Adam Nemec. He couldn't get there, but it's picked up by Weiss, taking on the fullback. Weiss! Fancied threading the shot through the gap at the near post there, but Begovic got down well. Been a pulsating half so far. Weiss plays it in, they went to sleep! And it won't count. Weiss played in the free kick. It seemed that the Bosnians had been caught napping here. That's a very tight decision. Header went through Begovic. The other hand, Salijevic. Slovakia haven't got it away. Breaks for Mujta. And then Vedad Ibisevic. Beaten out by Mujta. Crazily tight angle here. What a genuine attempt, do we think there? Vices look lively. Played in by Hamsik. And the header bounces agonisingly wide. Adam Nemec there. The Union Berlin striker. He couldn't have asked for more room, or indeed time in which to think about it. Bosnia do look dangerous on the breakaway. It's Edin Dzeko in behind. His touch just took him a little wide, and it allowed Mujta to sprawl at his feet. It was that touch there from Dzeko. Scored for Manchester City at Cardiff City. Unexpected defeat that for one of the favourites for the English title this season. There goes Petr Pekarik. Adam Nemec. Here's Hamsik. The breakthrough for Slovakia. Brilliantly taken by Marek Hamsik, who is in the form of his life. 4 goals in his last 2 matches for Napoli. 2 apiece against Bologna and Chievo. And now a goal here. The dream is still alive for Slovakia. Zeko was strong in keeping hold of the ball there. He's pushed wide by Ibisevic. Here's Mujta. The way off the foot of Mucha. And then Zeko just couldn't execute the volley on the turn. Extremely difficult skill that. He got under it. Would have been some finish had he found the back of the net there, Edin Dzeko. Always rising. Having won improbably away to Bosnia last week, Slovakia are halfway to the same result here. Here's Weiss. Hamsik. Effortless ball back to Weiss. Oh, that beat Asmir Begovic. Just the ageing. Visibly, Jan Kozak, Slovakia's coach. Here's Lulic. Daisy cutter of a shot. Mucha with full stretch there, but the shot was dragged just a little too wide. Senad Lulic from outside the area. And the ball be turned across. Mucha, both hands on it. Still Bosnia coming, and Saliovic that time. Snapshot. Wasn't far away from the Hoffenheim man. They just didn't manage to clear properly here at all, Slovakia. Pjanic with a cross in from the right-hand side, retrieved by Senad Lulic. And then that flashed just wide by Aliovic. That's in at the far side. Ermin Biskagic. And it's 1-1. It's been coming in this second half. The pressure has been building from Bosnia and Herzegovina. Pjanic flicked on by Spahic. And at the far post there to turn it over the line, Ermin Biskagic of Braunschweig in Germany. 3rd appearance for Bosnia, 1st goal. Hamsik. It's forced Weiss a little wide, wants to cut in field here, Weiss. And then the back heel for Nemec. End-to-end stuff. This is a rip-roaring international tie. No wonder with so much at stake. Bosnia, although they control the group, are still pushing forward. Hajrovic! What a goal! Bosnia lead! Out of all people, it is the 22-year-old Izet Hajrovic who has thundered a shot past Jan Mucha, and Bosnia are on their way. What a goal from the youngster. Under 21 international, fresh into the senior squad, and a priceless goal here. Here comes Slovakia, one last sortie. The ball's too heavy for Marek Hamsik, whose goal looks to be in vain. Indeed it is in vain, because Slovakia are knocked out of the World Cup. Bosnia and Herzegovina will have a playoff place at least at the end of this group. Greece in with a shout of finishing top 2. Bosnia have come from behind here. Goals from Bisakic and Hajrovic won it. So it's official, Bosnia will be in the playoffs at least again. Likewise, Greece can finish no lower than second after they beat Latvia 1-0 in Piraeus. Slovakia's chance is gone.